Namaste. Now we are going to do Gomukhasana. Now, slowly, gently. There are many variations in which you can bring your legs like this. I am doing the one which I am more comfortable with. This is the traditional way. Thereafter, I need to raise one hand, bring the other hand behind, and touch them. My arms should be straight, spine erect. If you look at the back of my hands, they are clasped to each other at the center of the spine. So I am not going here and there, I am at the spine. Right? This is the position in which I need to remain. My armpit should be as wide and open as possible. Chest should be wide open as possible. Now, if I do this, I have made a mistake. Let me show you what. When my right leg is up, my right hand should be up. Then I bring them together. Slowly, gently bring them together. Right? I release this, bring back the hands and the legs also. Let us do it at the other side now. Since this leg is up, this hand is going to remain up. This will go down. Now I am not able to bring it at ease the way I was to do it, so I can support it with the other hand. I can bring it closer. Give some support. Get this hand here and touch it. Now this is not always going to be easy, so we need a little more support. What we can do is take the help of any strap, any chunni, any dupatta, any towel or napkin that you have with you. Take the support. So now, slowly, gradually what happens as you keep practicing, your distance of the arms will reduce. You can keep bringing your hands up. It's like a competition where both the hands are trying to meet each other. And slowly, gently, when you keep practicing it regularly, you will not need the postures support, but the prop support, but you will be able to do this without the support. Now, while we sit also, it is not necessary that you are able to sit and do this comfortably. If you need this support, you can sit on a pillow. This gives support to the spine, it is elevated, and then you are able to do the same posture again. Let me show you again with this. Support. Slowly, gently, keep trying. And one day, of course, you need to remain in the same position, and one day, you will not need the support and you will be able to do it yourself. Bring your hands back to the normal position. Release the leg lock.